I know very well there are a lot of videos out there on the internet that promise to show you how to make money online by reading books online, but then you get to find out at the end of the videos you don't have anything that's actually going to help you get to the point where you make money online by reading books. In this particular video, guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you what others out there are not showing you, what they're really hiding from you, the truth on how you can actually get to the point where you make money online by reading books. I'm going to show you what you need to do and the work you're going to need to do to get to the point where you make money. Now, this particular video, I'm not going to promote and tell you that you don't need to work. AI is going to do all of the work for you. Yes, you're going to use AI, but you're also going to get to the point where you're going to do a lot of work. Now, if you want to read online and earn money from reading online, be sure to put in the work. And in this video, I'm going to show you that if you're ready to put in the work. If you don't want to do any work, be sure to swipe over and go find that video that is going to show you something that you're going to do using AI or without putting the work, and then you earn money. In this particular video, we want to get to the point where we do something, we'll work and we earn money. Remember, you're going to need to work for you to get to the point where you make money. Now, before I get to show you this on my phone, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one thing I do on this particular channel, The Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that does is that when I upload videos like this, that helps you make money, you get notified, and then you get to the point where you start making money online. All right, without further ado, guys, let's get into the main video. Remember, if you're getting value, be sure to leave us with a like. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be doing what we call proofreading. We're going to be reading, but then we're going to be doing what we call proofreading. Now, let's look at Google and let's look at the meaning of proofreading. So it says, proofreading is the careful review of a final written piece to identify and correct errors in spelling, grammar, punctuations, and formatting. It's the last stage in the writing process, ensuring that the text is accurate and ready for publication. Now, there are writers out there who write books, but at the end of the day, when they're done writing their books, they will need their book to be actually vetted and see if there are errors, if there are mistakes, punctuations, spellings, if it's wrong or right. And you can actually do this for them, get to the point where you check if their book is actually right, wrong, whatever the things they're doing, what they've written, if they've made some grammatical errors, you help them correct it. That is what you're going to do as a proofreader. Now, you're going to read and you're going to do the work, which is find out where they have errors, and you correct it, and then you get to the point where you make money, right? So I'm going to show you how to get to the point where you get to make money with this. Now that you know the meaning, now you know what we're going to do exactly. Let me show you guys what we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is that we need to get to this platform, which is called hireaproofreader.com. Hireaproofreader.com. I'm going to try and leave the link in the description or the comment section of this particular video so that you can actually refer to it. So hireaproofreader.com. On this particular website, you can actually go and sign up on that particular platform. And once you sign up, you can actually get contacted by people who want you to actually proofread their books. Once you proofread their books, they pay you for proofreading their books at the end of the day. Now, this is the platform. Very important that you know the platform. But if you know the platform and you don't know how to get around it, it's not going to help you. For you to actually get to the point where you're listed on this particular website, hireaproofreader.com, you have to have a certificate that you've gone through their school as a proofreader. Because people will not want to just give you books to proofread, and then at the end of the day you mess it up. They want to be sure that you do not mess up this content that you have to read and edit, right? Because they don't have to give you something that is right and then you make it wrong. No. So now what you have to do is you see here, how to hire a proofread anywhere, certified proofreader. Now it said the site only contains listings of students who have received a certificate of completion from either of Proofread Anywhere's programs, right? So you must have been enrolled under them to get to the point where you actually get to be listed on their platform. So this is the platform where they're going to list you. People come here and you see that there are people here. People come here and they actually get people who have actually completed their courses to actually proofread their books. People can actually hire you from here, right? So how do you get to the point where you can actually get certified? They have a twin. This website has a twin sister. If you want to get certified, all you have to do is come to this particular website, which is called proofreadanywhere.com. Proofreadanywhere.com. Follow their training, which click on start now. Once you click on start now, you're going to register to attend their training, which is very short. Which is very, very short. You attend their training, then you start. They get to list you on their particular platform, and then you start making money. But that is just one piece of this information. You've gotten certified, and then you get listed on this particular platform. But there are platforms that are way bigger than this particular platform. But the reason why you need this particular platform is because you need to get certified. If you don't get certified, people may not get to the point where they hire you, and you may not even know what to do as a proofreader. I mean, I'm making this video and it's very easy, but then you need to understand that there is work, which is you get certified, the work you're going to put in to get certified, and to actually get to the point where you get listed and get to the point where someone hires you. It's very easy to say, but it's work. Remember, is really, really work. If you're not ready to put in the work, go watch other videos, go watch any other entertainment videos, right? Okay, so now that I've shown you this, I'm going to show you other platforms that can actually help you get to the point where you start making money as a proofreader, as someone who is able to read something online and make money off it. And you can earn at least $19 to $40-something in 1 hour or per job. Okay, now let me show you various platforms where you can actually get onto and get to apply as a proofreader using the certificate that you've gotten from this particular platform. So let me show you this. So the first website I'm going to show us is guru.com. Guru.com, you can actually post the job to get someone to proofread your business, or you can actually go there and sign up as a proofreader using the certificate that you've gotten from the previous website I've shown you, and then you get to make money. And you see that they have paid over $250 million to their freelancers. All you have to do here is sign up as a freelancer, and then you get to make money. Go to guru.com and sign up as a freelancer and sign up as a proofreader, and then get to read online and make money off it. The next website I'm showing us right here is called Scribble. I don't think I'm pronouncing that well, so I'm going to skip that. But it's spelled as scribble.com. Go to this particular website. You can actually hire an editor, right? But all you have to do is sign up as an editor yourself, and then get to make money. Now look at this. Look at proofreading. You can actually go to proofreading, and you see, if you scroll down, pick your proofreading service. Just come over right here, sign up as a proofreader. Once you sign up already you can start doing this work. All right, so the next website I'm showing us right here is Fiverr. Fiverr is actually the one which is actually very, very saturated. It's around everywhere. It's everywhere, but you can actually use it to get to the point where you actually make money as a proofreader. But be sure to sign into other platforms so that you get to have other accounts on other platforms while waiting for Fiverr, waiting for this one, and whichever one that comes in first, you start making money on that one. All right, so you have this one, get to Fiverr, sign up as a proofreader. You must have gotten your certificate though. Then sign in as a freelancer, as a proofreader, and then get to the point where you get to charge at least $5, $20, $45 to the point where we're gonna make a lot of money. Now I'm gonna advise you on Fiverr. If you're gonna start out on Fiverr, start with charging like $10, $5, $10, between like range of $5 and $10. Charge that, and then when you start getting gigs, right? When you start getting gigs, you can now increase your money to maybe $30, $40, right? So the last website on our list here is proofreadingservices.com. Proofreadingservices.com is really, really top in the list. I mean, there are other platforms which I've mentioned, but this one is actually a good one because they pay you very high. Depending on the turnaround, they can pay from $19 to $46. So now, if all you have to do is get on this platform, sign up to be part of them. Once you're signed up, you get to become part of them, and you make money, right? So let's scroll down. Let me show you this, guys. Here are some of the benefits of working for proofreadingservices.com. Competitive pay ranging from $19 to $46 per hour. depending on turnaround time. So this one, you're not just charging for per job or per gig, you're charging per hour. So you can earn at least $19 per hour, and all you have to do is actually apply to become an online proofreader. Once you apply, it's going to take you to the particular platform, which is more like a questionnaire platform where you're going to fill details. You can actually use ChatGPT to fill in the details. Now, you don't need to like just ask ChatGPT the verbatim questions. You can just, if they give you an answer, think about it, generate the answer yourself, and then write it on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to clean it. What ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to modify it and make it clean, and then you input it there on the questionnaire, and then you get to pass. It's that easy. But be sure not to ask ChatGPT questions verbatim. Put your own answer first and ask ChatGPT to refine it, fix it, or make it correct, and then you apply. Once you're accepted, you're on your way to making $19 to $49, $46 per hour. And that is it, guys. I've shown you these particular platforms, but the truth is, at the end of the day, it's not everybody who is going to put into action what I've shown them. That is the good thing about YouTube. There's free information right here on YouTube, but people are not going to put into action what they've learned because it's free information. Be that 1% that is actually going to put into action what you've learned from this particular channel, and then you get to the point where you start making money online. All right, so I'm going to allow you to put into action what I've shown you so far, and I'm going to go away and see you guys some other time. Remember, I'm your favorite guy, Ebenezer Link, and make sure you leave a subscribe if you're not subscribed, and actually like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Peace.